Hey guys, today let's learn how to manage or how to sign out TikTok from other devices. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign out from your TikTok account from other devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application. And then from here, I want you to proceed with tapping on your profiles, right here on the lower corner. Next, let's tap on our three lines on the top right. And let's tap on settings and privacy. Now, from here, I want you to scroll down until you see your security options. Next, let's tap on Manage Devices, and you should see all of the devices that you have currently logged on from your TikTok account. So from here, if you want to go ahead and log out or sign out, all we need to do is choose the specific device. Now, you want to go ahead and sign out from, and then tap on delete right here. That is gonna allow us to sign out from that device. And that's all for this video, so I'm gonna try it right now. Tap on this delete button, tap on remove. Tap on this delete button, tap on remove. And do the same with all of the devices that you wanna sign out from. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.